The weapons of mass destruction and their delivery systems, provision of unlawful activities amendment bill 2022. Shri S. Jaishankar to move a motion for consideration of the weapons of mass destruction and their delivery systems, provision of unlawful activities amendment bill 2022. Shri Jaishankar.
Sir, I rise to move
listed
the bill, please. Weapons of mass destruction and their delivery systems, prohibition of unlawful activities amendment bill 2022 as passed by the Lok Sabha be taken into consideration.
मोशन मुफ्त। माननीय सदस्यगण, महत्वपूर्ण बिल है, पहले से लिस्टेड है। जो लिस्टेड बिजनेस है मैं उसी से जा सकता हूं। आप सारे मेंबर्स जानते हैं लिस्टेड बिजनेस के अलावा मैं कोई और बात नहीं ले सकता। प्लीज there is one amendment by Shri John Britas for reference of the weapons of the mass destruction and their delivery systems, provision of unlawful activities amendment bill 2022 as passed by Lok Sabha to a select committee of the Rajya Sabha. Member may move the amendment at this stage without any speech. John Britas. Shri John Britas. For consideration of the bill and the and they are now open for discussion.
India implements its international obligations responsibly, and this is recognized by the international community. Weapons of mass destruction.
माननीय मंत्री जी एक मिनट प्लीज माननीय एलओपी सीट पर आप जाएं। माननीय एलओपी क्या कर रहे हैं? प्लीज अपनी सीट पे जाएं, अपनी सीट पे। सभी माननीय सदस्य अपनी सीट पर जाएं। माननीय एलओपी साहब कुछ कहना चाहते हैं।
सर, आई एम थैंकफुल टू यू। मुझे बड़ी खुशी हुई, संतोष हुआ कि आपने मुझे बोलने का मौका दिया। सर, कल से हम ये कोशिश कर रहे हैं जो
माननीय एलओपी साहब, इस बिल पर अगर आप बोलना चाहते हैं तो ही मैं अनुमति दे सकता हूं। जो लिस्टेड बिजनेस है उसके अलावा किसी और विषय पर बोलने की इजाजत मैं नहीं दे सकता। प्लीज नो। अगर इस बिल पर बोलना है तो माननीय एलओपी को मैं इजाजत दूंगा। नो माननीय मंत्री जी।
India implements its international obligations responsibly, and this is recognized by the international community. Weapons of mass destruction and the Delivery Systems Act 2005 prohibits unlawful activities in respect of biological, chemical and nuclear weapons and their delivery system. In recent years, international regulations relating to weapons of mass destruction have been strengthened. In particular, the UN Security Council decisions and the Financial Action Task Force recommendations have mandated provisions against financing in relation to weapons of mass destruction. Chairman, sir, presently there are no specific provisions in the WMD Act 2005 relating to prohibition or prevention of financing of prohibited WMD activities. Therefore, there is need to amend the WMD Act 2005 to enact legal provisions relating to financing proliferation of weapons of mass destruction and the delivery systems. In accordance with the obligations emanating from the targeted financial sanctions decided by the UN Security Council and the recommendations of the FATF, the proposed WMD amendment bill prohibits financing of prohibited activities under the WMD Act or any relevant act in relation to weapons of mass destruction. It also proposes empowering the central government to freeze, seize or attach funds or financial assets or economic resources for preventing such financing or prohibit making available such funds or resources. The bill is in our national interest. It will strengthen our credentials and global image. I commend it for the consideration of the House. Thank you.
माननीय सदस्य, महत्वपूर्ण बिल है। कृपया अपनी सीट पर जाए। माननीय शक्ति सिंह गोहिल, माननीय शक्ति सिंह गोहिल जी, माननीय शक्ति सिंह गोहिल, महत्वपूर्ण बिल है। हाउस इतने दिनों बाद मिल रहा है। कृपया अपनी सीट पर जाए। कृपया अपनी सीट पर जाए। The House stands adjourned to meet at 11 hours on Wednesday, the 20th July 2020.